If you skip this video by thinking that it's another low quality video, then you are always going to be this person who enters into the exam hall. Even after that mugging up facts, straight 2 weeks training, you forget everything when you enter that exam hall. Because in this video, I will tell you what is exactly happening and what you need to do to overcome that short-term memory issue you are suffering right now. Because that is basically what's happening with you. You have done the preparation for 2 straight weeks. You were preparing for that exam, you were learning facts, you were mugging up every freaking things. But the moment you entered that exam hall, everything is vanished. No idea what you have learned, and you are nervous, completely blank what to write on that paper. If that's you, then congratulations, you have stumbled upon the good video, the greatest of all video. Let's understand that why this happens. What happens most of the time, most of our information is stored in this short-term memory. I'm guessing that you know what is long term memory and short term memory. शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में जो तुम्हारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी के लिए रहती है, मतलब थोड़े टाइम के लिए रहती है. आफ्टर थोड़ा टाइम योर ब्रेन लिटरली वॉमिट्स आउट एवरी इन्फॉर्मेशन, दिमाग में नहीं रहती है. लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी होती है व्हेन यू आर हैविंग दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी. चाहे मैं तुमसे आज पूछूं तुम बता दोगे. If I'm asking you 10 days later, you will be able to answer that thing. And if I'm asking you 20 days later, you are going to answer that thing. So that is the long-term memory. Now the thing is, what you are exactly doing, you are exactly training your short-term memory. तुमने 2 weeks, straight 2 weeks, you were preparing for that exam, you were mugging up all the facts. But what you have done, you have stored every freaking data into that short-term memory. Now what you have to do, exactly what you have to do, you have to train your long-term memory. Shift your focus from short-term to the long-term. Now the question is, how will you do that? Till now, what you have been doing, you have been mugging up facts. You have been mugging up. Now do the exact opposite. Instead of mugging up those facts, try to understand the meaning of those facts. Try to understand that how it is useful. Try to apply those facts. Try to start explaining those facts. This is how this thing will be stored into the long-term memory. Once you shift that focus from that mugging up facts to try to understanding the meaning and start applying those things, start explaining those things to other person, start teaching those things to the other person, it's going to store into the long-term memory. So now when you go to that exam center, you will have the knowledge that what you have to write down. You will not be the blank person. Do this in your next exam. Before you appear for that next exam, sit with every information you have and try to understand what this information meaning. Once you understand the meaning, try to explain it, try to apply it, try to use it in your life. This is the thing that you have to do to overcome this short-term memory issue.